Welcome to the 4 tutorial on Muslim beliefs. We will look at the nature of prophethood and what the roles of prophets teach Muslims. A prophet is a messenger chosen by Allah to teach humanity what is right and wrong. Risala is the system of communication between Allah and people through prophets. Belief in Risala is also known as Nubuwwah. Belief in prophethood is one of the 6 beliefs for Sunni Muslims and 5 roots for Shia Muslims. Allah has spoken to many prophets and Muslims are required to follow their teachings. All prophets show great qualities and set an example of how to live. Many Muslims name their children after prophets and try to raise them to have the same positive qualities, like the loyalty of Ibrahim or the mercy of Isa. Belief in the prophets connects Muslims with the other Abrahamic religions, as both Jews and Christians believe in the same prophets, like Adam, Musa and Ibrahim. Prophet Muhammad said there are more than 124,000 prophets who have appeared in different parts of the world and Muslims must believe in all of them. The Quran says there is no distinction, or that one prophet isn't more important than any other. Muslims believe that the roles of prophets are very important as they live perfect lives, setting good examples to others. Muslims use the Quran, Hadith and other holy books to learn about the messages the prophets brought from Allah. Muslims believe Adam is the first prophet and is Allah's Khalifa, or representative, who angels had to serve. Adam and Hawa were deceived by Satan and were punished by Allah. His example teaches Muslims to obey Allah and not be tempted by Satan. Ibrahim is called Allah's friend in the Quran and is an example to others. He was obedient to Allah and prayed for a prophet to be born in the future who would bring Allah's message and purify people. Muslims believe that prophet was Muhammad. Muslims believe Musa was appointed by Allah to free the Hebrews from slavery in Egypt. He was given the 10 commandments and performed miracles, like parting the Red Sea. He teaches Muslims to keep faith in Allah even if they're suffering. Daud fought against the oppressive Jalut and then was made king of the Hebrews. Muslims recite prayers Daud. He is remembered for his prayers and fasting. The Injil, which was one of the most important revelations before the Quran, was revealed to Isa. He performed many miracles, including his birth without a biological father, and bringing the dead back to life. Muslims believe Isa performed miracles with Allah's permission. However, they believe it is shirk to call Isa the son of Allah. They don't believe that he was killed on the cross, but that Allah saved him. He is a very important prophet to Muslims. Muhammad is the seal of the prophets, which means he is the last prophet sent by Allah. He brought a message that was universal, that was meant for all times. The Quran describes him as a light and an excellent model. Muslims follow his example. In the exam you might be asked to outline 3 things Muslims believe about Risala, to explain 2 reasons why Muhammad is important to Muslims, or why Risala is important in Islam. Risala refers to the way Allah communicates with people. Many prophets have passed on Allah's message to humanity.